Academy's right for the age of what?
Porridge this morning, is it?
Porridge? Oh no, I've got the spoon in it.
Morning, Nikki.
Good morning. It's a bit chilly. I was dreaming about a proper bed with a duvet.
Morning, guys. Okay, Alex. Morning.
Hello.
You awake, Kate?
Absolutely.
Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Hello,
Hello.
we had a bit of a moment on the helm because we concentrated on chocolate, not helming.
Ah, well, there's always those moments.
Must concentrate on helming, not chocolate.
Good morning, Dave. What are you up to today?
I'm making egg mayo.
How many eggs have you boiled this morning?
I boiled 24 eggs and peeled them. And now I'm mashing them. And it's going to be fantastic.
Good job. So long. Secret Tabasco monster.
Hi!
Rachel. Morning. Where are
This is my
you?
favourite job of the day. Just cleaning the heads and also doing toilet roll monitor duties because we've actually hit almost critical on toilet rolls, which basically means nobody can use any more than 2 squares at one time.
What have you got in there?
I have chickpeas. I think I have Marmite, sweet corn, cheese, eggnog, tuna, baked beans, jam. No jam. Oh dear me. Fabulous, son. Thank you very much.
Fabulous.
There's the garnish. Oh, fantastic. Yeah. Wonderful. Dinner is off. The cooker jumped off its gimbals and landed dismally on its side.
Oh dear, so how are you fixing it?
This evening's menu consists of muesli,
And more muesli.
or muesli.
And we have lashed the cooker and put the cushions underneath to make it a little bed. And we've now got a sail bag under there. And we think it should be alright.
Is that my dear?
We do need to tack next.
Ultimate test.
Both around it. Whether it will stay.